میں بہت خوش ہیں کیونکہ آج دن وہ ہیں. Today has arrived. We have been waiting 17 سال. We have 3 سال been working for this moment. So بہت شکریہ اور بہت مبارک to both the teams. So let me tell you, it's going to be very exciting. We've got 7 games to work through. I am a diplomat, so I must make sure I'm covered both ways. So we have my shirt here. If I can show you this. ایک یہ انگلینڈ بہت اچھا ہے. یہ دو پاکستان زندہ باد. بہت شکریہ.
This is a statement of a diplomatic statement.
This is a diplomatic shirt, diplomatic T-shirt. So I felt quite emotional, I have to say, when those anthems played. I saw the boys lined up together on the field. It's been a difficult couple of weeks in both countries, actually. We've had the sad death of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth. And then, of course, the floods here in Pakistan. Amazing shirts tonight. The Pakistani players, if you look, they've got a water line on the back of their shirts. Tonight's proceeds, the PCB are donating to the floods, and the England team, matched by the ECB, have also made a big donation to the flood appeal. It really shows that hum ek saath hain.